Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you Easter Wreath decoration ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. So let's start today's video. So I hope you enjoy my video. So let's start today videos, friends. Simple flower Easter Wreath. Take a round ring base. Now add soft flower all around. Use pink, white and yellow flowers. Tie a ribbon on top. Our Easter Wreath is ready. Easter eggs wreath. Let's make an eggs star wreath. Take a form of wooden ring and weavers. Glue colorful Easter eggs on it. Fill all empty space with small flower tie. This look bright and fun for Easter bunny theme wreath. Add 2 bunny's ears on top of the ring. Cover the ring with white or pastel fabric. Now add flowers and small eggs. This cute bunny wreath is perfect for your doll. And friends, viewers, next right here is green leaf nature wreath. Use green leaves to cover the ring. Add small white flowers. Place a few eggs in the center side. This gives a fresh and soft look. And friends, viewers, next Friday is reverse. I hope friends you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel.